Good morning, everyone. So I said made announcement, and you look at some of the assignment in the Cengage with the automatic grading is not correct. I already verified with both of the two assignment for this week. It is arithmetic and assignment operator in Python, and I believe the second one it is yeah, understanding sequential statement in Python. Both of them is not correct. And one thing I had to tell is that I have no way to modify automatic grading. It developed by Cengage. The only thing I can do is that I escalate the problem to the Cengage, and I'm waiting investigation from them. So for now, we can have a workaround, right? So when you're done with the Python and you believe that everything correct, and how you believe everything correct, you can verify it. You can double check it by copy the code, and you can paste it in any Python editor, right? So you can run with the Python, or you can run with Visual Studio Code, or the easiest way you can run is that you can go to the onlinepython.com here, right? Onlinepython.com. So in the onlinepython.com, so when we're done with the think about when you do everything in your work here, and I believe, and you think that everything correctly, right? And somehow for me also, right, when I done it, I believe that everything correctly, but when I calculate grade here, I only have the 58 point something here. It's really ridiculous from Cengage. So one thing you can double check it, and you can verify it by you can copy every code from here. I copy it, and I go to onlinepython.com here, right? So I paste everything on this one here, right? And you can run it. You can run it on this one. Right? So see, you can see it here. If the output here, you can see if the output here exactly the same with the one you do it in the code space here, right? So see, example of the program here: state tax, federal tax, dependent, salary, and take home. And you go back to your output from when you run from the online Python here. You can see everything exactly the same. So for sure, your program is correct now, right? The only thing is wrong is that it comes from the automatic grading from Cengage. So it's not your problem. It's a Cengage problem. I'm really sorry for that. Even that it might, I have no way to control it here, right? I know that some of you take time to do it again and again, and sorry for that, because that is a thing I'm not anticipate before this class here, because they just change it. They just change the way it works. So back then they work with the Cengage side, but now they move to the code space here. So for that problem, I'm not aware before this class here. So that is the way you can do it, right? You can copy the code. You can go to the online Python, or you can go to the Visual Studio Code, or whatever it is. You copy and paste it here, and you run the code, and you see the output here exactly the same with what they expected here. So that is for sure your code is correctly. And the only thing going wrong is because it comes from the automatic grading from the Cengage here. Okay, so I hope that help you how to double check and how to verify it here. Thank you.